He's hoping to bump start it down this hill from what I can tell. Good luck. Come on, come on. Oh, he got it. He got it, yes.
That's awesome.
There's his buddies who are cheering for him. Hopefully it starts better the rest of the day. There's our guy here.
Honda.
He just better not shut it off. He's pretty stoked.